Hi, I'm Doris Bridgehouse, and today we're going to be talking about numerology. I've written a numerology book called A Complete Numerology Guide and Workbook, and I'm going to do you a favor. I'm going to go through the whole book. There'll be little segments of each chapter, and I can direct you what each chapter means and why I've written it. Now, first of all, we're going to start with your name. All right, and what to do is get a piece of paper and pencil and print out your name, and above your name you're going to put numbers. Let me go in my book, and I'll have my husband David, he's the photographer. Could you zero in on this, please, to show that the letter A is the number 1, the letter B is the number 2, and so forth. So you'll be copying that. You can make like a little chart yourself, and you'll be, anything that has, like we'll say the number M is under the number 4. And why did this come about this way? Well, with numerology, we keep adding to numbers till we have one digit. So for instance, let's use the letter J. The letter J is the 10th letter in the alphabet, so that would be under the number 1, because 1 and 0 equal 1. That's how that happens. Anyway, what you're going to do is write out your name, like I said, and put the numbers above it. Then you're going to add the numbers. Now, I'll show you. My photographer can get close. This is my full Doris Ann Goff is my maiden name. You always use your maiden name if you're a woman, or I could say your birth name. Now, even if you spelt the birth name, if your family someone spelt the name wrong and corrected it later, your birth certificate is the correct name to use. Okay, so that's how you would write it out, and you're going to add the numbers. See how the numbers are added together? It comes to 65, and 6 and 5 are 11. So my name is master number 11. And you could do the same with yourself. Now say yours comes to 101. 1, 0, and 1 equals 2. So your name would be, your whole name number would be 2. Now some books call it your essence, some call it your personality. What it is, it's your personality number. And your personality shows the world how you're going to relate to other things in the world. Now I'm going to jump ahead to, after you've done that, you're going to add it all up and such. Now you're going to go to another area, and you're going to print your name out again. And you're going to put the vowels above, the number of the vowels above. You know, if it was an A, you put a number 1. And the consonants are going to go on the bottom. So if it's a B, that's a consonant, that would be on the bottom. And you add those numbers together. You add your vowels together, your consonants together, and guess what? They should be the same number as you did the first time around. If it didn't, well, then you have to do it over and figure it out where you made your mistake. It's very important you get the correct number, because throughout numerology you use your birthday numbers and you use your name, and it's very, very important you have them correct, because like I said again, your birthday is the most important. I mean, not your birthday, your personality is the most important, and then your birthday numbers are important. But right now we're dealing with your name. Listen to me later, because in my second lesson I'm going to teach you how to do your life path number, and I'll talk about what those numbers mean afterwards. Thank you for watching Doris Ann Bridgehouse. Out.